That sheet you carry, the tip of it is made of sea stone, isn't it?
Ako kiriya cyuma ugendana ntigikoze mu mabuye yo mu nyanja.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa.
And your other powers
izo rero ni izindi mbaraga zawe.
should give you an enviable advantage. That's why I need you on this.
Bikongerera imbaraga, niyo mpamvu ukeneye kuri ibi bintu. Ariko mu mutwe ugumishemo ikintu kimwe.
There's a bigger picture here.
Hano duhanganye n'ikintu gikomeye. There is a big picture here. Ni ikintu gihambaye duhanganye nacyo.
Organization of assassins.
Ni agatsiko k'abicanyi Baroque Wax.
7 to try to recruit me a while back.
Banyoherereje Mr. Seven ngo aze anjane nje kubakorera.
You said no?
Ndakeka aravuze hoya.
I was a bit more cutting than that.
Byaje kurangira birenze ibyo ngibyo.
I cut him in half.
Namukashemo kabiri.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
You got it.
Okay, noneho turabyumva.
Look, they don't seem too dangerous.
Ko mbona saba ngaba nta kibi cyabo koko.
You killed 7. 9 basically took himself out of our fight by dropping down a hole, so...
We wishe Mr. Seven nanjye narwanye na bamwe muri.
I've been in this whale for days. I'm not at full strength.
We impamvu ugiye watsinze nuko amaze iminsi mu nda y'iyipfi nta mbaraga nari mfite.
Tell them Miss Wednesday.
Simeruka no kurya bibabwire Miss Wednesday we.
Numbers and days for code names.
Musigaye mukoresha imibare n'iminsi nk'amazina y'amakode eh? Cyiza. Hakuno uwo mukobwa amwita Miss Wednesday, kari agasore bakita Mr. 9 ngo baba muri Baroque Wax. Baroque Wax ni agatsiko kagenda gateza imidugararo hirya no hino kwica abantu gashaka kwigarurira ibibirwa byose tu.
I say we deal with them the old-fashioned way.
Navuze ngo turaza gukemurana n'aba mu buryo bwa kera.
Throw them overboard.
Mubashugunye.
I don't think our captain would want us killing anyone.
Ndakeka kapiteni wacu ntabwo yakwifuza ko tugira umuntu
Our
twica.
captain isn't here, right?
Kapiteni wacu ariko ntawe uri hano arahari se. Oh,
Let me guess.
reka mfumbuze.
You're the navigator that got all your friends stuck in this.
And you're the thief that stole my compass. Where is...
Niwe navigator aba ngaba nawe uri igisambo cyanyibeye campus.
When?
I needed that.
Nayohereje kujya koga yayijugunye hasi.
Doesn't seem like
Nari
it was
nyikeneye.
doing you much good.
Ko n'ubundi hano se nabonaga itari gukora. Niko.
You don't need it in the Grand Line anyway. Magnetic fields are completely different here.
N'ubundi ntabwo uyikeneye hano muri Grand Line. Magnetic field cyangwa imbaraga rukuru z'isi zikwerekera kamajyaruguru n'amajyepfo hano ntiziba zikora.
Pose?
Hano igikora ni log pose gusa.
You do have a log pose.
Simuyifite?
Yeah, of course we do.
Cyane turayifite.
What's a log pose?
Log pose ni iki?
Of all the whales in all the world,
Muri Wales zose ziri muri iyi si koko.
Tim had to wander into mine.
Kubera iki mwanziye muri Wales yayise ngo ni?
At least we kept our
Si cyo nzi ntituzavamo.
ship intact. You two clearly